Deputy Laura, tell the jurors to be back here by 1:45. Anyone else ready?
Yes, ma'am, I have that there. Inis, A-2-8.
Maverick Inis. Who's the attorney for Maverick Inis?
I'm here, Judge.
And where's Mr. Inis?
We reached out to him, Your Honor, and his wife said he was in the hospital. We haven't been provided any documentation or anything.
Just one moment. Deputy Laura, if you can make an announcement. Court is calling 2025 CR 002-989 State versus Maverick Inis. Can I have parties announced?
Second Galloway for the state.
And George Manning for the defense, Your Honor.
All right, this hearing is scheduled at 9 a.m. The defendant has not answered the docket. Counsel, have you had any contact with your client?
I haven't, Your Honor. We reached out and his spouse said he was in the hospital. We said we needed documentation and we haven't received it yet.
All right, Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement? State.
We're requesting a bond for.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. If he presents documentation in the day, the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes.
Have a good day.
Who's ready?
Judge, I'd like to put from Miss Louise, the one I did earlier, Ruby Louise.
I'm sorry, who is it?
Ruby Louise, page 6.
Yes.
She no showed this morning and I'm gonna head up to Comal County.
All right, court is calling 2026 CR 002-096 State versus Ruby Louise. Could I have parties announced?
Second Galloway for the state.
Glenn Payne for the defense.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 11:52 a.m. Defense, have you had any contact with your client?
Not personally, Your Honor. A boyfriend called, said she was on the bus this morning and we've had no other contact.
All right, state.
We're requesting a bond forfeiture.
Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, she's not out there.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond.
Thank
Thank
you, Judge.
you.
May I be excused?
Anyone else ready?
Yes, ma'am. They're the same.
Who is here on Amadan Smith? Where's Amadan Smith?
He's in the box, Your Honor.
All right, are you all proceeding on the motions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 3014W and 2023 CR 8440 State versus Amadan Smith. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Second Galloway.
Attorney Simmons for defense.
And are you Mr. Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause numbers, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision and first amended motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Amadan Smith who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3014W
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
offense of harassment of a public servant on March 4th, 2024 for a term of 8 years?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you the same Ahmad Bayam Smith who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 8440 for the offense of harassment of a public servant on March 4th, 2024 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the same allegations in each motion?
Yes, Your Honor, and that's violation of condition for 40 on or about the first day of August 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Amadan Smith, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department's fully diagnosed residential facility, and that the defendant was successfully discharged from the program in violation of condition number 40.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right, off the record for a moment. I don't have that as a allegation in cause number ending in 40. I have it in 14W. Do y'all have it in 40? Ah, okay. All right, thank you. We're back on the record. All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 40, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
So,
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 40? In each cause number, the court will find violation of condition number 40 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, it is to grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's community supervision and reform the judgment to reflect a 5-year sentence in prison. In each cause now. Toronto.
Okay. Is that the agreement?
yes, Your Honor, so with him receiving, all, time for all the time that he has earned.
Are you asking me to follow this agreement?
That's fine,
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
that's fine.
All right. So you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
That's fine.
All right, you can lower your hand. So why were you not successful with the program?
People were mean to me.
I'm sorry, what?
People were mean to me. Some of the people at the program,
What did he say?
people were mean to me,
People were mean to you? How so?
just mistreating me,
How so?
calling me names and trying to start fights with me.
And who are these people?
Just some of the people, inmates that were in the program,
Okay. So what's your diagnosis?
schizophrenia, depression.
All right, Ms. Abrams.
The way that it happened was he basically left CPR. He escaped the program. He was there for 3 days and was unsuccessfully discharged. This is his 3rd MTR.
Mhm. Is he on any type of medications? Does anybody know, is he currently, is he current on his medications?
In my conversation with him, our visit that we had, for the gym, my understanding is that that is in flux, but he has met with the mental health at.
All right, what does that mean that's in flux? Is he on his medications?
So that's my understanding, but they could have been, I always ask whether or not they, even though I'm not a doctor, Your Honor, are the meds working for you? So when I say something like, are they in flux, and he gives me a different answer, that's what I meant. Sorry. You recall that conversation?
All right, once you're released from prison, if I follow this agreement, do you have a place to go?
That's fine.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to revoke you in each cause number. The court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. And I'll ask for the mental health unit at the prison. All right, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Oh, and I'm sorry, these cause numbers will run concurrently. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
That's fine.
All right, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
That's fine.
All right, good luck to you.
Maybe excuse, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you. All right, court is going on recess. I'll see y'all back at 1:30.
What started as a second chance became a third strike, and this time, the judge wasn't backing down. Amadan Smith had been placed on community supervision twice, both for harassment of a public servant, each carrying an 8-year term. That was the court's attempt at rehabilitation over incarceration, but Smith couldn't hold it together. This was his third motion to revoke, and when asked why he failed to complete the residential program, his answer stopped the courtroom cold. People were mean to me. 3 days. That's all he lasted before walking away from a facility designed to keep him out of prison. The judge didn't flinch. She asked the right questions about his mental health diagnosis, his medications, his housing situation. She listened. And then she did something the state's agreement didn't offer. She went lower. Why the prosecution proposed 5 years. The judge sentenced him to 3, concurrent across both cases, with credit for time served. She also requested placement in the therapeutic community unit and the mental health unit inside the prison. That's the nuance most people miss in these hearings. Yes, the community supervision was revoked. Yes, Smith is heading to prison. But the judge actively fought for the mental health resources he clearly needed all along. The system failed him somewhere, and she was trying to patch that gap at the only moment she had left. With his appeal rights waived and felony convictions now on record, Smith walks into the prison system with a shot at treatment, if he takes it. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns, because justice never gets old.